Assalamualaikum mommies. Today we're gonna learn the tricky digraph T8. So first of all you need to understand what is digraphs. So digraphs means when two letters comes together and they make one sound. As you can see from its name, digraph. So di means two. For example, the digraph T8 has two letters T and H. When they comes together they look like this. T8. Why it is a tricky digraph? Because it makes two special sounds, that is hard and soft. Hard sound you can also say voiced, soft sound you can also say unvoiced sound. Let's see some examples of these two. Voiced sound the, this, the, at, that, the, them, the, and, then, the, and, then. And unvoiced or soft sound oath, mouth, e, tree, eat, teeth, oat, throat, ooth, tooth. Now let's see some tips and tricks for moms, as there is no hard and fast rule of hard and soft sounds of digraph T8. So what you have to do is you have to feel the vibrations in your throat. When you say the hard sound or voiced sound of digraph T8, you will feel little bit vibrations in your throat. For example, the, this, the, that. And when you say soft sound, you will feel no vibrations in your throat. For example, thick, in thin. This is the tip and trick for the kids to learn and read these words. I hope आज की वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रही होगी, and if you like my content, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.